Welcome to this video on step-by-step guide to YouTube automation. If you're a budding YouTube creator looking to start and grow a successful channel using automation tools, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be providing a comprehensive guide on how to use automation tools to build a thriving YouTube channel in 2023. From niche selection to keyword research to content creation and promotion, we'll be covering all the important aspects of YouTube automation in a detailed and easy-to-follow format. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned YouTuber looking to optimize your workflow, this video has something for everyone. So, let's dive in and discover how you can use automation tools to take your YouTube channel to the next level. When I first started my channel, I had no idea how to grow it, let alone turn it into a source of passive income. But through trial and error and a lot of research, I discovered the power of automation tools. These tools helped me streamline my workflow, save time, and ultimately grow my channel faster than I ever thought possible. One of the first things I did was to select a niche that I was passionate about, and that had a high demand on YouTube. This made it easier to create content that resonated with my audience, and that had the potential to go viral. Next, I used keyword research tools to identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for my niche, which helped me optimize my content for search engines and increase my visibility on YouTube. But creating great content was only half the battle. I also needed to promote my videos and get them in front of as many people as possible. This is where automation tools really shone. I used tools to schedule social media posts, automate email marketing, and even to automate the process of creating thumbnails and video titles. All of these strategies and tactics, combined with consistency and persistence, helped me turn my YouTube channel into a cash cow. Today, my channel generates a steady stream of passive income, and I'm able to spend my time doing what I love, creating content and engaging with my audience. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and turn it into a source of passive income, automation tools are your secret weapon. By using the right tools and tactics, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and ultimately grow your channel faster than you ever thought possible. So, go ahead and give it a try. Who knows, you could be the next YouTube success story. I'll be showcasing some of the best automation tools available for YouTube creators in 2023. These tools will help you with everything from video editing to social media promotion to analytics, making it easier than ever to create high-quality content and grow your channel. First on the list is a video editing tool. Editing can be a time-consuming process, but with the right tool, you can streamline your workflow and make the process much faster and more efficient. Look for a tool that offers features such as automatic color correction, motion graphics templates, and AI-powered editing tools. Next up is a social media promotion tool. Sharing your videos on social media is key to growing your audience, but it can be a hassle to manually schedule and post your content across different platforms. A social media promotion tool can automate this process, saving you time and ensuring that your content reaches as many people as possible. Third on the list is an analytics tool. Analyzing your audience and your performance on YouTube is crucial to improving your content and growing your channel. An analytics tool can provide you with valuable insights into your audience demographics, watch time, engagement, and much more. Fourth on the list is a captioning tool. Adding captions to your videos can help you reach a wider audience, including viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, as well as non-native speakers. A captioning tool can automate the process of adding captions, saving you time and ensuring that your videos are more accessible to everyone. A thumbnail creation tool can be a real-time saver. Thumbnails are crucial to getting viewers to click on your videos, but creating eye-catching thumbnails can be a hassle. A thumbnail creation tool can automate this process, allowing you to quickly and easily create professional-looking thumbnails that will grab your audience's attention. Using automation tools can be a real game-changer for YouTube creators. By using the right tools, you can streamline your workflow, save time, and ultimately grow your channel faster than you ever thought possible. So, give these tools a try and see how they can help you take your YouTube game to the next level in 2023. Let's talk about the benefits of using YouTube automation. One of the biggest advantages is that it can save you time. Automation tools can help you with tasks such as keyword research, video editing, social media promotion, and analytics, allowing you to focus on creating great content and engaging with your audience. Another benefit is that automation tools can help you grow your channel faster. By streamlining your workflow and promoting your content more effectively, you can reach a wider audience and gain more subscribers. However, there are also some drawbacks to using YouTube automation. One of the biggest concerns is authenticity. Some viewers may feel that automation tools make your content less authentic, as it may appear more like a product than a personal creation. This could lead to a decrease in engagement and a lack of connection with your audience. Another concern is the long-term sustainability of using automation tools. These tools may provide short-term benefits, but they may not be enough to sustain a successful channel in the long run. Authenticity and engagement are key to building a loyal and engaged audience, and these are difficult to achieve solely through automation. Using YouTube automation tools can provide many benefits, such as saving time and growing your channel faster. However, it's important to consider the drawbacks, such as a potential lack of authenticity and long-term sustainability. As a creator, it's important to strike a balance between using automation tools to streamline your workflow and maintaining an authentic and engaging connection with your audience. Let's discuss the concept of a faceless YouTube channel. Essentially, this is a channel where the creator does not appear on camera or show their face in any way. Instead, the focus is on the content itself, which can be anything from animations, voiceovers, tutorials, or screen recordings. The advantage of a faceless channel is that it allows you to remain anonymous and provides more privacy while still being able to reach a wide audience. To create a successful faceless YouTube channel using automation tools, there are several key steps to follow. Firstly, it's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a dedicated audience. Then, use automation tools for keyword research and content generation. You can use tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find popular topics and keywords that will help your videos rank higher in search results. Next, it's important to use automation tools for video editing and promotion. Use tools such as Canva or Adobe Premiere Rush to edit your videos and create engaging thumbnails. For promotion, use social media automation tools such as Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your posts and reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience using automation tools. Use chatbots or automatic responses to answer frequently asked questions or respond to comments. This will help you save time and build a loyal audience. Creating a faceless YouTube channel using automation tools can be a great way to build a successful channel while remaining anonymous. To do this, choose a niche, use automation tools for keyword research, content generation, video editing, promotion, and engage with your audience using automation tools. By following these tips, you can create a successful faceless YouTube channel that resonates with your audience. We'll showcase a real-life example of a small YouTube channel that achieved significant growth and success using automation tools, and provide insights and takeaways for other creators looking to follow in their footsteps. The channel in question is a beauty channel run by a single creator who started with just a few subscribers. However, with the help of automation tools, the channel was able to achieve significant growth and success over time. One of the key strategies that the creator used was to automate the process of keyword research and content creation. By using tools such as TubeBuddy and Google Trends, the creator was able to find popular keywords and topics related to beauty and create content around those topics. This helped the channel rank higher in search results, attract more viewers, and ultimately increase subscribers. Another important strategy was to automate the process of video editing and promotion. The creator used tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro and Hootsuite to edit their videos and schedule posts on social media platforms such as Instagram and Twitter. This helped the channel reach a wider audience and attract more viewers. The creator engaged with their audience using automation tools. They used chatbots and automatic responses to answer frequently asked questions and respond to comments. This helped build a loyal audience and increased engagement on the channel. Overall, this small YouTube channel achieved big results by using automation tools to streamline and optimize their content creation, promotion, and engagement strategies. The key takeaway for other creators is that automation can be a powerful tool to achieve growth and success on YouTube. By automating certain tasks, creators can save time, attract more viewers, and build a loyal audience. Let's talk about video editing. One of the most time-consuming aspects of creating YouTube videos is editing. However, with automation tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, you can automate certain tasks such as adding transitions, color correction, and audio enhancements. This will allow you to spend more time on content creation and less time on editing. Secondly, social media promotion is another area where automation tools can be incredibly useful. By using tools such as Hootsuite or Buffer, you can automate the process of scheduling posts on multiple social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. This will save you time and help you reach a wider audience. Audience engagement is another area where automation tools can be helpful. By using chatbots and automatic responses, you can save time by answering frequently asked questions and responding to comments. This will help build a loyal audience and increase engagement on your channel. In summary, automation tools can be incredibly helpful for saving time and boosting productivity on YouTube. By automating certain tasks, you can focus on creating high-quality content, promoting it on social media, and engaging with your audience. If you're looking to take your YouTube channel to the next level, consider incorporating automation tools into your workflow. We'll discuss the importance of niche selection and how to use automation tools to identify the right niche for your channel. Next, we'll cover the importance of keyword research and how to use tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to optimize your content for search. We'll also dive into content creation, discussing how to use automation tools like Lumen 5 and Canva to streamline your video production process and create high-quality content on a budget. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of consistency and how automation tools like Hootsuite can help you schedule and promote your content across social media platforms. We'll also cover audience engagement, discussing how to use automation tools like Comment Hero to manage and respond to comments, and how to use YouTube Analytics to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how automation can help you save time, increase productivity, and achieve success on YouTube in 2023. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Dear viewers, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I always love hearing from my audience and am happy to answer any questions you may have. Your feedback is important to me as it helps me to improve my content and provide more value to you. So, please don't be shy and share your thoughts with me. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Best regards, Fitorita.